Here is the L4 can for the Gonset GSB-100. So this can is basically the plate for the I think residence for the V4 first mixer. So anyway, yeah, somebody had mucked with this thing, and the thing was pushed down out of the can, and then the wires were hitting the chassis and burning up the resistor. So again, the problem with previous owners breaking things, but that's how it is. So second try on the resistor, I got it back in there because I was running the thing in a test mode where I had this can running around loose. And now I'm like, well, I gotta get serious and get this thing back proper. So now it's proper. I'm gonna bolt it in, wire it in, and see if this thing goes, and see if I finally got transmit. So that's been rectified almost. The other major problem was there's a ground here on this 9 megahertz IF. This is actually the part that is the phase, sideband phase generator using these diodes and all that. So I'm guessing these are germanium diodes that are clipped in here, but they seem stable. There was a screw here that wasn't grounded. It was all loose, so I just forced a ground in there with solder and soldered right onto the lug. I didn't worry about the damn screw. I just figured, who cares? And that's not going to become ungrounded now. So, and I was able to net these pretty much down to 0. So do I have 60 dB drop like a Central Electronics? I guess we're going to see. My buddy Pete was saying this thing didn't know out too well. It wasn't stable, but Pete, I think maybe the stability might have been a manufacturing error with this little screw here. I don't know. So I guess we're going to find out. So I'll put this can back in and see if I have any luck making this damn thing transmit. It's been a long day with this thing. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.